Nice.
What do you mean? Yeah, my head is not the newest version. So, oh, let's introduce Hovinim.
Oh, right.
So, ta-ta-ta-ta. Hovinim, our new friend, our new team member.
Yes. Hello, I'm Hobin, new intern at Hero Town. Now I'm studying in Korea and I will be with you until March at Sledding.
Woo!
Woo!
Nice. So, we are now here in Sanjeon Lake, right?
The Sanjeon Lake.
And we're going to the sledding festival, the cute ducks. And yeah, we will see. Hopefully it's open. It has been closed because the weather was too warm. But today it's like minus 11 degrees.
Yes.
Freezing, I mean, as you can see. So, let's go! So, Lara and I are taking the first round. And then we switch. Only 2 people can go at the same time. 30 minutes is 15,000 won, and then we also go sliding. Go, Lara! Oh! Oh my gosh! Wow! I'm sliding! Lara almost killed us. Oh, 1 eternity later. Oh my gosh. That's freaky.
Bye bye. Let's go. You learned from the master Franca how to ride fast. License, but I also have driver's license and I'm not that good. Professional photo shooting. I'm faster. What happened? Don't go inside the fence. You want to drift?
Hobin, you have to teach us. We've never done that. To move forward, yeah. Okay. Put your feet on there and sit down. You can cross your feet. Ah.
그럴 때는 이쪽으로 가고 싶다고 이쪽을 반대로
Also ein bisschen ins Eis stecken und dann kannst du damit auch lenken. Wow. Owen, make a cool turn! No driver license. I think you won this one as well. Winner! Loser! Blah 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 blah. Huh?
Didn't he win?
I don't know.
You can check the video.
We'll check the video later.
Yeah.
Okay, good job guys.
Oh! Wow!
Oh, my arm is tired.
Ah, so tired.
My arm is dead. Dead.
Oh! Oh!
Oh.
Yes. 3, 2, 1. Hey, Lara, where are you going? One. Round. Franca. Hey, Franca, Lara. Why are you guys too slow? Oh, okay, that nice. 저기까지.
하나, 둘, 셋, go! Faster! You're not even close. Woo! The losers. Winner. Loser number 2, loser number 3.
Thank you.
We're done.
It was so much fun.
But so exhausting. My arms.
We made a new friend.
Oh yeah.
And it's so slippery on the ice.
But it's so funny. We've never done it before.
Yeah. but I think even though we never done it, we did pretty good for the first time, so we can be proud.